Hello, my name is Dima Syrotkin and I'm the CEO at Pandatron, where we are reinventing change. We know that most transformations fail because of lack of employee buy-in. Nobody ever embraced corporate strategy by looking at 5 bullet points on a PowerPoint slide or getting a mass communication email. That is why we built an AI agent using systemic coaching, trained to support employees through change in order to accelerate strategy execution. Let me show you a quick demo. Here's a very simple sign-in to our web application. Once you get to the main screen, you see tracks on the left side that are shown to a particular department or cohort of users. And when I click a particular track, let's say digital transformation, you will see exercises open up that are related to that track. On the right-hand side, we see some gamification features. You might recognize the streak from famous language learning app, Duolingo, or you can see the last conversation summary. Our content is crafted by experts, our team of change consultants, coaches, psychologists, and we also cooperate and partner with globally recognized thought leaders like Barry Schwartz, who is famous for his work on decision-making, or Amy Edmondson, who has done groundbreaking research on psychological safety, just to name a couple. When I press Start Session, I get to the main chat window, and typical exercises can easily last 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm not going to go through all of it or click through it fairly quickly. Here, by the way, is an example you can see where the AI coach gives some suggestions rather than just asking questions. As you can observe, the goal here is to create a space for employees to safely express themselves, their challenges, to reflect on the company's strategy, to brainstorm solutions, to formulate goals, and of course, action plans. At the bottom, you can see our speech to text feature. So you can speak to your AI coach and will understand you. And we also can see the volume button at the top that allows you to hear your AI coach. Whenever you feel like it, you can press End Conversation button and it will nicely summarize the conversation so far for you and the main points and takeaways. On the left-hand side, you can see a small menu that opens up where you can see the history of previous sessions, and you can continue chatting with the AI agent whenever you want. It will remember the previous conversation and will be able to seamlessly pick up at the right point. You can also schedule sessions, which brings them to your calendar and builds a habit where, for example, you can schedule a weekly session on Monday at 2 p.m. We also work across many languages. So we support something like 80 plus languages. Here are just some that we've worked with before. And of course, we don't only adjust based on the language, but also, as you can imagine, the huge advantage of this kind of tool is being able to reach and support tens of thousands of employees in a personalized manner for basically what it would normally cost you to do workshops for a few hundred people. To further enhance the experience, we provide monthly reports to our clients on the progress and systemic issues. Sometimes the coaching data reveals things that client wasn't aware of. Our content is then dynamically changing on a monthly basis as our understanding of the situation and need deepens over time. I encourage you to think different because we know that what we do now is not working. Feel free to check out our website for more information at Pandatron AI.